So hello guys, hopes everybody is doing well. In this video update we'll be definitely talking about BTC, Bitcoin dominance and liquidation heat map. I hope it makes sense for you guys. So guys, stay with me till the end of this video, and if you guys are not in my Discord, link of my Discord is in the description. Get into my Discord right now. So guys, before wasting any time, let's get going. At the time of recording this video, basically Bitcoin dominance, if you focus overall, since the breakdown on Bitcoin, this was not a big breakdown. If you focus overall, just a 5% breakdown. Since this breakdown, guys, the dominance exactly is pumping. Because of that, the dollar is also pumping. So dollar is pumping, dominance is pumping. At the same time, Bitcoin is dumping, and at the meantime, altcoins are facing a lot of what they should not face, right? Now, what I personally think is, if we get back into a weekly time frame, one thing is not very nice right here, that we have closed back into this previous zone. And for me, this was a very good area basically for us to break down, because this is some sort of ascending wedge, and this is a breakdown, a bearish retest, and then we should break down, and we will definitely break down. That's for sure thing. But how and when, that's a very important point. And capital preservation when we will be dumping down is very important. So right now, if you focus on the daily time frame, we are getting a small rejection from this level again and again, and we should get a rejection, and we should get back into this zone, and this will turn into a deviation, and then alts can definitely do well. And this is what most for sure I personally expect, because alts are very badly down. You guys need to understand the thing that alts need to survive as well. And if you get in, let's get into our liquidation levels right here. If you focus overall on liquidations, very interestingly, a good sort of like 31 million within a 24 hours, I'm saying. So one of the most important level is exactly 70.5k or 70.6k, which we will definitely talk about right here, while the other liquidations are definitely setting exactly at 69, around 69 or 68, some sort of like this thing. And if you get back into a weekly time frame, there is a different liquidation on the weekly time frame, and also very important. If you get back into a chart, this is a chart where I shared it in my premium Discord. I'm sharing with you guys as well. Now right now we are definitely ranging, and this is not a good thing. Why? Because if you focus overall, this thing is not a range. The ranging right here is not very nice. I will definitely talk about this in a while. If you focus overall right here, this is a very important zone. So come on. Now if you focus overall, we are definitely accumulating within this zone. And if you focus right here, we are definitely forming this bearish PO3 right here. So we are forming this bearish PO3, which is usually not a good sign. Maybe we can definitely minimize this thing. This would be a good, but whatsoever, this is not a good thing. What I personally will like, I want the price to get back into this area, form a deviation, and then print to the upside. Maybe we are already down on alts, but what I personally think is that this dump would be very fine. And if you look for some liquidation hunting right here, this is there around 68.4k. This level is very important, because if we take this liquidity, we can definitely get back into the higher liquidity zones around 72k, right? Because there's a lot of short liquidations right here around almost 567 million. So it's also not a joke as well. So what I personally think is that we should take this liquidity, which is definitely a sell side liquidity. If we take this liquidity, then we can definitely push for the higher liquidity zone, and it would be good for alts, because alts are already down. Within this leg down, maybe it's a bearish retest, and then it can definitely push to the downside, maybe. But this is what I'm not trading right now. I'll be definitely looking for longs right here and shorts right here. Very simple. But if you go to the upside now, there are more chances that we definitely see a rejection from here, and in which